Next, we have to study about C++ input and output. C++ IO operation, that is C++ input output operation, is using stream concept. Stream is the sequence of bytes or flow of data. It makes the performance fast. On most program environment, the standard output is by default is the screen and the standard input by default is the keyboard. Streams for input output in C++ are actually in a class called IOStream. If you have knowledge of C, you needed to include a header file called stdio.h to perform input-output operation. C++ is similar in that you need to include IOStream at the top of your program, that is #include iostream.h. And about the output, Cout. Cout is a predefined object of IOStream class. It is connected with the standard output device, which is usually a display screen. The Cout is used in conjunction with the stream insertion operator. This one is the insertion operator to display the output on a console. For example, Cout hello world. This is to print out the hello world. That is Cout insertion operator. Our statement is within the double quotes hello world. This statement within the double quotes is we needed to print. That is hello world. And next, Cout insertion operator, a variable a. This is to print value of a variable a. And next, Cout insertion operator 10. This is to print value 10. And there are multiple insertion operator may be changed in a single statement. And about the input, the Cin is a predefined object of IOStream class. It is connected with the standard input device, which is usually a keyboard. The Cin is used in conjunction with the extraction operator. This one is the extraction operator to read the input from a console. For example, #include iostream.h, main function, opening brace, should be a closing brace, int I, Cout, enter the value of I. So, this is definitely print this statement as such. So, here this is end with a semicolon and this statement is end with colon. That is our choice. So, anyway, the statement within the bracket, within the double quotes as such it is printed. That is, the output is enter value of I with colon and Cin I. Cout extraction operator. So here Cout insertion operator, value entered by you is insertion operator I. Return 0 because we used int value. Here int value. If we use void main function, there is no need of this one. So, the output is enter the value of I, colon 2. Here, this colon is not necessary. If we use here, we use this colon within the double quotes. Which statement is within the double quotes is as such print as the output. And the value entered by you colon equal to 2. And here we use new line, that is slash n. This, due to this slash n, this statement, that is value entered by u, as the next line. If we are not this one, this value entered by u 2 is after this statement. To avoid this difficulty and to look good, we use new line, that is slash n. So the value entered by u, this statement comes after this line. It is a new line. New line. Okay.